So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how do we enable dark mode on our Pinterest. To know that, firstly go to your Pinterest. After going to your Pinterest, click on your profile at the down right corner. After going to your profile, click on the top right corner, the three dots. After clicking on three dots, you can see the settings. Just click on settings. After clicking on settings, you can see the account management. After going to the account management, go to app theme. After going to your app theme, click on system default light dark. Go to the dark mode and your dark mode has been enabled. So that's it guys, hope you like our video. If you liked our video, then please like and subscribe, plus see the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.